Hey there guys, I just got a little review and demonstration of this 5-piece diamond hole saw kit that I bought from Princess Auto. And I think normally these things run for about like $64 brand new, but I was on like a 50% off sale. I got it like $32 Canadian or something. And so that was really good. It works really well, and I'll give you a demonstration, but I'll show you this one first. This was a bit that I bought from this kind of like CH hardware or something, I think it was called. And you know, it has this, looks like it has some sort of diamond grit on it, and it looks like it might work. And so I tried it, and have some pretty hard porcelain tile, and basically it wore it right down to the bare metal. Like, it never really worked properly. I put some water on it, as some people had suggested, to help with the cutting process, but literally it just didn't really cut a hole through the porcelain tile at all. Just kind of, it did cut a little bit, but maybe like, I don't know, maybe 1/10 of the way through before it kind of basically, and that was just one hole, before it wore down right down to the bare metal. So it was like, just for this bit alone was like $7 with tax or something. And it didn't even work. So I guess that is kind of a lesson that, you know, you should buy something that's better quality rather than some of these cheap stores. But anyway, so I'm going to run it. Well, I'm not even going to try this one because it doesn't even work anymore. So I'm just going to take this one out, and maybe I'll give you a quick demonstration on some of the porcelain tiles I've got here. So this was the Power Fist, the Power Fist brand. That's the Princess Auto brand, and you know, its size is 3/4, 1 inch, etc. And maybe I'll just take a look on the other side. I don't think there's really, you know, that's all it came with. There's no other really data on it. Actually, it does say a few things here on the back. It says it gives you various RPM, max RPMs for the different types of materials, whether it's glass or fiberglass or porcelain, etc. So yeah, that's pretty much all it came with. And I'll just this is actually the one that I ended up using. And so as you can see, it's this, and just the shank is quite a bit larger than the other one. Tighten that up, and let's see here. I've got my safety glasses on. I will say it comes in a very nice case. The case, you might want to buy it just for the case alone. It's so nice. But yeah, so I actually saw some people renting these things out on Kijiji. Like, I don't know how much he wanted, but he wanted like $5 or $10 or something a day just to rent out this little kit. I'm not sure if he was having a lot of success renting it or not, but somebody was trying anyways. And so here, I'll give you a quick demonstration. Maybe I'll put a little bit of water on it just to help with the process. Okay. yeah, so there you can see, I won't necessarily cut all the way through, but as you can see, it's making a very nice hole through it, and it wouldn't take too long to cut right through it. I just don't want to, I don't want to dull up my bit anymore. But so there you go, there's the product, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give it a thumbs up, and I appreciate watching. Thanks.